my friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. This video going to be very special for all of XEM holders. If you are a name XEM holder, suggest video, keep watch this video with the end. A lot of people ask me that what's the next target of XEM coin and what's the current condition of XEM coin and what is the next target and what's it is the best time to buy, sell or hold XEM coin. So I will answer in this video this question, friends. So keep watch this video with the end. Before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin, friends. Now as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour price predictions. If we look the change coin XEM coin and the last 1 hour for detection of the next target, we have to look the last 1 day price prediction. That is how we can detect that what's going next in a XEM coin, friends. So friends, as you can see, the last 1 day price prediction is on the screen. If we look the change token XEM in the last 1 day, so the change is about negative 0.81 US percent change occur in the XEM in the last 1 day, and the price is 0.457075 USD dollar is the high price of XEM coin in the period of last 1 day, friends. Friends, a really complex structures occur. If you look the chart of the XEM coins, really it's complicated structure. As you can see here, they take a jump in a minute and they fast down in a minute. As you can see here, that's a continuously procedure, take a jump and fast down in a minute. But if we look the average change occur in the XEM coin, the average change is about the average change is that take the low position. As you can see here, that is one position and that is the current position of XEM coin, as you can see here. So as you can see here, the average jump occur in the XEM coin. As you can see here, they start moving upward. So that is the change of the XEM coin, that is the jump of the XEM coin, friends. Now for the detection of next target, as you know the same procedure occur. This procedure is repeated by XEM coin again and again. As you can see here, now the falls occur in XEM coin, and now and the falls of after a falls there is a jump in an XEM coin. So the same procedure and same like that, after a falls there is a jump, after a falls there is a jump, same. That's how the XEM coin goes move upward. If there is a falls in the 2 minutes, so the jump is in about 3 minutes. So that's how they move upward, friends. What's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.